Hello everyone, welcome to the Tarang live show. Today we have beautiful set of Indo-Western outfits. You can see we have multiple colors, multiple price ranges and all are different patterns. Like some of them here are plazo sets, some are skirts. So all these varieties and one for sample. You can see the one that's on the mannequin. And also I'll show you all the beautiful collections that we have for display today in store. So you understand the pattern clearly. So first let's get started with our all-time famous yellow color haldi outfit idea. So this is the same pattern like this one that's on the mannequin, that comes with a blouse, a skirt and a beautiful overcoat, and then your hands go through this one. So it's gonna look like a nice cape model. So first we have this gorgeous blouse. It's a very heavy blouse. Just zoom in on the detailing. We have pearls, there's cut beads, and just look at this pattern. It's gonna look too pretty once you wear it. And even the back is really beautiful. See, complete stonework like rhinestone detailing and very neat detailing, like there's a pearl surrounded with cut beads and has perfect fitting. And if you don't like it spaghetti sleeves, then no problem because there's going to be a cape over it. And this is the skirt. Oh, yeah. So this is the skirt. These are like complete designer fancy pieces, like inspired pieces from big designers. So this is the skirt. This is the blouse skirt. And then we have this beautiful cape. You can see how pretty. And even the cape has this complete piping of pearl work, rhinestone, sequins. So very classy detailing. So this is gonna look something like this. Just imagine this pattern like this. I'll just put the coat over this mannequin so you understand the whole look. So it's gonna be like this. And then your arms go through these. And don't worry about the fitting. We will get exact fitting done in your size. Oh, and the price is 8940. So below 10K you have this gorgeous outfit. And any charges for alterations are free of cost. So there are no charges. It's all complimentary. So this is the pattern. Can you like just hold the skirt, ma? So this is the whole look. The best part about this is the fabric. It's very nice, and also the blouse. So you can use this blouse for many other saris too. And just look at this beautiful detailing. Like you can mix and match because it is a very beautiful blouse. And even the back has complete detailing. So in these we have colors and all. So just message us on our WhatsApp number. Yeah, remove it. So you can just message us on our WhatsApp number if you want to order this 86395 64913. So let's see the next one. If you like this, just share a screenshot if you want to order this one in your size. We will get it altered to your perfect chest and waist measurements. Now let's see this beautiful blue. It's like a nice electric blue. Yeah. Yeah. So this is like a nice electric blue. So first we have this heavy designer blouse on top. The tassels look so nice. So just look at the intricate detailing. And this piece comes with a beautiful skirt. Just look at the beautiful fabric and see the nice work around the waist. So this is the skirt. So beautiful skirt, pleated skirt. And this is the blouse. This we have it on the mannequin. Sorry. Yeah, this is available on the website www.tarang.in. This we have one on the display on that mannequin in pink color. Just show them that color. So this is the beautiful pink color, hot pink. And the second color option we have is this blue. So you can just imagine how it's gonna look. And this is the blue. Whatever color you like, just send us the screenshot and you can place the order. So just wait. Let me just turn it around. Okay. So this is the pink. And this would be the blue color next to it. And price for this one is 12070. 12070 is the cost. And both are different patterns, but just look at the nice detailing. So you can order any color you like. 12070 is the cost. So this is the blue. Now let's see the next one. Next we have another cape model, jacket model. So first there is going to be a beautiful spaghetti blouse. Look at the gorgeous blouse and look at the work, mirror work detailing here. So very pretty. Comes with spaghetti sleeves and there is a cape over it. And even the cape has neat detailing. Even the cape has neat detailing and comes with a skirt beneath. So let me just show you. Yeah. Let's put the cape. So all these are gonna look very gorgeous once you wear it. This is also available on our website, like a similar one, which our model has worn. This is the blouse. So I hope it's looking clear. But it's the same piece, like the green one that is underneath. Like there is a blouse, a cape, and a skirt. And price for this one is 6995. If you want to order any of these collections, we'll also send you a picture with the mannequin so you can understand how it's going to look once it's worn. So price once again 6995, so below 7000. Beautiful pink color. Even in this we have sizes available. Now let's see a palazzo set. Very nice orange color. Yeah, it's a very nice orange color. Shimmer tissue fabric that has beautiful work embossed on the side with booties all over. So very nice top, short top, like it's knee length. You can see it is like Sabyasachi inspired design. So it has this nice pattern on the bottom near the daman, and even the neckline is really beautiful. Soft knit dupatta and palazzo pants beneath. Like there's palazzo pants beneath it. And if you want sleeves, again we do alter sleeves based on your size and according to your preference. So this is the top. Let's see the dupatta. And the cost 4470 is the price. 4470, three piece palazzo set. In this we have one more color option available. Green color. It's not exactly the same, but it is a similar one. Same 4470 is the cost for this one as well. So it's like a beautiful parrot green color. But this is a sharara model, whereas that one was palazzo pants. And if you see, this is a sharara. So it is like fitted until above your knees, and then it is like a flared bottoms. So this is the pattern, and this is the top. Very beautiful fabric. And just look at the neat pearl work here around the neckline. And even all of this is very nice. It's like a Banarasi finish. And very budget friendly, just below 5k, below 4500 to be precise. And a soft knit dupatta. And if you don't like sleeveless, again, we have sleeves for this. So we can attach the sleeve material. So if you like this, again, just share us the screenshot. Even the back has beautiful work. So let's see the next one. So we can see this gorgeous black color, nice embroidery, thread embroidery. So first, it's a beautiful short top, and the pants are really pretty for this one. This is a very trending fabric, very nice neat floral embroidery, and even this is around just 5230. And in all these we have sizes available, XL, and few are available in 2XL too. And this is also another Sharara set. You can see nice Georgette pants, fit and flare, so more like Sharara. And even all of this is neatly pleated. So these are the bottoms. Just show you. So these are the bottoms. Then we have this nice spaghetti top over it, and a beautiful Georgette dupatta that has this very nice neck choker pattern around the neck. So choker detailing. I'll just show it to you. So something like this around the neck, and this would be the top. Price is 5230 for L size, and we have sizes available. And again, if you don't like sleeves, we have material for the sleeves, so we can attach sleeves as well. Yeah, matching sleeves, same matching sleeves are available. So this is this one. So this is a very trendy piece, just for 5000 range. Next is our all-time famous, a beautiful top. This is a unique pattern. It is cropped from the back, so it looks like a blouse. And then the front has this nice detailing with very nice tassels. Price range is 4080, so around 4000. Matching soft net dupatta. And the pants are a beautiful silk material. These are the pants. So nice flared pants. And just look at this detailing of sequence work. So it's very neat, and just look at the nice flare each side has. So like it looks very nice when you walk in it. This is the top over it. So let's just put it all together. Again, sleeves are available. This is the sleeve material. It's like a nice raw silk material that is matching. 4080. 4080 is the cost. This is the back. This is the front. Soft net dupatta. You can just wear it as a two-piece or also include the dupatta along. So if you want this, just send us a screenshot. And many such collections are available in our store. Let's do the blue one. Again, this has an alternate design. So something like this around your neck, and then this, and then something like this around your waist. So it's a complete Indo-Western pattern. But we will alter it exactly to your size, so you get exact fitting. And then even this one has sleeves, a nice Georgette dupatta, and beautiful printed pants. This is the front. So nice flared palazzo pants. And just look at this detailing. Like here there is this nice sequence material. So when you walk or sit in it, it will look really pretty. So this is the pattern. All these are very unique collections. And this is the top. And even the price range is affordable, budget friendly only. Just 5710 is the cost. Even for this we have sleeves available if you don't like sleeveless. And we do exact fitting to your measurements. We take your size measurements on a video call, so there is no error. And yeah, these are the beautiful pants. Just look at the pretty detailing. That will only show when you walk around or when you sit in it, and it's gonna look so beautiful. So very unique collection. Next, my favorite, it's like a jamdani pattern which has a pitchwai print. This is much more on the premium side, and all this is done on a pure fabric. Like if you give a sari and get it stitched, then something like this would be the outcome. So it is very unique piece. A short blouse, again pitchwai print, and then there is like nice embroidery of green and pink with red combination, green with a lighter shade of green, and these are the bottoms. Flared palazzo pants, Just look at this. It has like a Banarasi finish all over. And can you do a closer look on the Meenakari pattern here? Like this pink, red and pastel green with a dark green. And imagine this with a nice short top, a beautiful blouse, and this is the back. Even the neckline is really pretty. It has like a beautiful cut here, like you can see. Price is 11,980. So this one is below 12K. And even it has like a nice fitting around the waist. So this is the top. And look at the dupatta. It has a heavy dupatta. And all of this is shimmer silk material. And this is pure fabric. Like you can see the back. The weaving is also really pretty. This is the beautiful dupatta. Single color. There are no colors available. Just look at this Banarasi pattern. It's like really pretty. So this is the dupatta. This is more of an exclusive piece. So we just have one in stock at the moment. So this is the whole look. And next, last but not the least, we have this beautiful palazzo set, peplum top palazzo set. Even this we have it on our reels. So this is the nice top, peplum top. Very nice neckline, very trendy pattern. 5795 is the cost. It has like a pattu border. The beautiful shine, like very premium fabric. So you can see how pretty the shine looks. And of course a choker dupatta for the top. Choker dupatta around your neck. And then nice flared bottoms. Beautifully flared bottoms. This is also available in our website if you want to see how the whole look is. Yeah. And in this we have lots of colors in this pattern, the peplum design. This is perfect for any small function, your friend's wedding, like haldi, mehndi, anything. It goes really well, and lots of colors are available. Like if you see, there's a whole category of just these peplum tops. Price once again 5795. 5795 is the cost. So any such collections you can order directly from our WhatsApp number by just sending us a screenshot. Thank you for joining the live. Bye.